guys, in today's video, we're going to be talking about the differences and similarities between albino and melanistic animals. Albinism is a hereditary condition. That means that it is genetically passed down from generations, and it results of an animal with white fur, feathers or skin, and sometimes red eyes. And they look like really cool, so I love albinistic animals. Take a look at these pictures. Melanism is the opposite of albinism. That means an animal has a lot of the pigment melanin in its skin, fur, or feathers. Take a look at these pictures. Now that we talked about the differences, let's talk about some of the similarities. There are two really important similarities. The first one is that melanism and albinism are both hereditary conditions. The second similarity is that they're both related to melanin. Bye guys, see you next time. Hope you enjoyed the video.